Wow, this life, eh? Now, so it just be, you know, say Charles Soludo, that time they want to do presidential campaign. Not be smart thing. Now I come outside, say, the Peter Abueto say he do investment for the state. He said the investment is what not less, is what next to nothing, no? Say that's the investment Peter Abueto, the campaign, they pride in, so, they brag, so. It not be anything, no? Well, election don near. I know so obedient they don ready with their PVC to vote. And wetin happen for presidential election still dey send fear for people spine. People still dey fear say, are you sure? So that matter still dey ground like say, the matter never dey settle. People still dey fear. They fear the Labour Party movement kind of thing. Now Charles Soludo tell Peter Obi say, Abi, you wan comot me for office? Abeg now. Peter Obi na don send message say, well, support Charles Soludo government to when you attain victory in March 18. Peter Obi called Anambra Labour Party candidate for House of Assembly. No say House of Assembly, but if you impeach am, they fit do many things. So say e don dey feel and say, Peter Obi people, Labour Party might win, no. Now is that they say, now Peter Obi said, don't worry, my brother. Although you do me, the way you do that deal, no problem. For me, I go tell them they support you. If they say the life not balance, may we get all the details. Labour Party presidential candidate in the just concluded February 25th, 2023 Presidential National Assembly election, Mr. Peter Obi has charged candidates of the party contesting for Anambra State House of Assembly seats to support the state's governor, Charles Soludo administration when they attain victory comes March 18 election in the state. Obi gave the charge in a closed-door meeting he held with the House of Assembly candidates in Eko on Friday night. Speaking with journalists after the closed-door meeting, Peter Obi said he has charged the candidates to victory, while also hanging on them to ensure they work with the state governor, Charles Soludo, irrespective of their party difference, for a better government and better governance of Anambra State. Obi was reacting to a video where the Anambra State governor has said he will not work with members of other political party who emerge as House of Assembly members in his state. We are not urging anyone to impeach another person. That's not what we are doing, Peter Obi said. We had a meeting with our assembly members and we are calling on Nigerians to vote for Labour Party top to bottom. We are not asking anyone to go and impeach anybody. Work with the government to ensure good governance for the people. You owe accountability to the Nigerian people. Make sure you serve the people well. People should not be afraid of impeachment if you are doing the right thing. Labour Party is not coming to impeach you. All things being equal, if you have done the right thing. Nigerians vote for Labour Party and make sure that they come on board for a better Nigeria. It's up to every one of us. Who we vote for matters. It will determine how the country is run going forward. So this is what is happening. Charles Soludo don't cry. Come outside. Say, Peter Obi, you won't carry your boys. Come on and take out do me, Abi. You won't carry boys come so that Labour Party win now. I'll call see the door. I beg, not do like that now. Beg now. So don't think so. Say Peter Obi and Charles Soludo don't make video. Say no go work with anybody. Blah blah blah. And Peter Obi say, take a chill pill. Relax. Nobody they can impeach you. If you do well, you do what you're supposed to do, nobody go impeach you. Now, if they notice mago, migi, they notice say something not all right, now their problem go day. Now then I go get problem. Then I go get problem. So apart from that, problem not supposed to day. So Charles, not worry yourself, okay? No worry yourself. Not go dey fret. They go shake body. They go do what you're not supposed to. No. Relax. Take a chill pill. Okay, if you have dotted your I's, you have crossed your T's, you're not supposed to be afraid. You are not supposed to be afraid. You are supposed to let peace guide your heart. If you don't do the right thing, you're not supposed to fear. Let peace guide your heart. You don't understand me, so you see us so. Now what the apple be this? Now what they go on? And what the apple be? Everybody now don't they see the matter? We need to ensure Okay, so things are done decently and in order. Nigerians, we cannot be quiet and allow some persons, some people who have no iota of concern whatsoever to be our leaders. You know, these people, it is what they do. Only God can truly save us. I can assure you for free. Only God can truly save us in this country. Only God Almighty. Only God Almighty. Okay, only God Almighty. So there is need, urgent and serious need for every single person to rise up to the occasion. May we make sure say we do everything we did right, we did needed and necessary. Okay, to bring Nigeria out of the current hole. There are some people will be say all they want now for this country to remain the way it be, so that they go continue to enjoy and benefit from the chaos. You know, say the chaos they give some people money. They not do road, they go call give their contract. We say they not go do the road forever. So many issues, so many things there on ground. We say we're not supposed to be allowed to just let them be like that. No, 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 no. We get to speak out, and I did glad. I'm very, very happy that this generation, everybody does stand up to the thing. Say we're not going to allow the same thing over and over again. We know exactly what we need. We know exactly what we want. The issue will not go on ground since we're not going to let it happen. We need this country to go forward. We need this country to be better. We need a lot of things to be put in place. We need a lot of things to be put in place, and part of those things is ensuring that Nigeria becomes the nation it ought to be. So these are some of the things happening, some of the things we are experiencing, and we sincerely truly want this country to be a better place. Every time we keep quiet and we neglect the opportunity of getting a better nation, Nigerians begins to suffer for it, and we don't want that, do we? We don't want that. So it's urgent that we begin to ensure that we all work at it and bring this country out of the predicament or the hands of those who want to put her down. Okay, they see what they happen. So people now, government, because if we not get anything where they give them that push, say there is accountability, they'll just do anyhow. So people are beginning to ensure that they do the right thing, because they know now, that they feel now. Obedience they won't call now. Obedience now don't become the fear of people doing the right thing and ensuring say good governance becomes the order of the day. Otherwise, we're not going to feel this country. Accountability, we get to put a system in place that will make them know that there is accountability. If not, they're going to do anyhow. We get to put that system in place. And I thank God for this, this third force that has now become like the main force. You see, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a good day. Bye for now.